going to do a quick unboxing of Lasfit floor liners for a 2015 to 2025 F150 Super Crew 4-door with the rear mat. Here's the rear back seat liner. You have the driver's side and the passenger side. Alright. So it has little flaps here that cover the side nice. That actually fits pretty nice. So this thing fits pretty nice in here. Kind of goes up the back. Give it some time to fit in place. Here's the driver's side. Nice. So you can see it covers all the side here. Actually folds really nice to it. This is the driver's side. Here's the passenger side. These have any snaps down here. But you can see it lifted up a little bit. I'm going to give that a day or two to see if it settles down.